Class 8, we are doing chapter number 11. We have completed exercise 11A and 11B. Now we'll start our new topic, multiplication. Now children, for the literals x, y, z, etc. First we are going to read this rule. It says when the base is same, x raised to the power m into x raised to the power n. Base is same and they are in multiplication, then you are going to add the powers. Now let's understand this thing with an example. X raised to the power 3 into x raised to the power 5. So base is same, so you are going to add the power. So the answer is x raised to the power 8. Now second thing is there children, when there are two variables or two literals, x square y cube into x cube y 5, means y raised to the power 5. I speak like this only children. So here you are again going to add the powers but of the same literals. Like the powers of x will be added and the powers of y will be added separately. So x raised to the power 2 plus 3 multiply y raised to the power 3 plus 5. So the answer is x raised to the power 5 y raised to the power 8. Same thing will go if there are three literals, like x raised to the power 4, y raised to the power 2 and z raised to the power 3 into, again there is a term, again there is a term, and their different powers are there. So x, you are going to add the powers of x, in y you are going to add the powers of y, and in z you are going to add the powers of z, and so on. I hope this rule is clear to all of you. Now let's go further. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial. First we are going to understand how to multiply monomial by a monomial, means one term by one term. Product of their numeral coefficients into product of their literal coefficients. Now how to find the product of literal coefficients you have just read, hai na class? And this thing, product of numeral coefficients, means the constants, the numbers you will multiply and then you will multiply the literals, and just now I have told you how to multiply them. Now let's go further. Let's see an example. So question is, multiply 6a square b cube and minus 4a cube b 4. So now first step is that children, multiply the numeral coefficients, means number with the number. So 6 into minus 4 will give you minus 24. Then multiply the literal coefficients, that is a square b cube into a cube b 4. Now a square b cube, the powers of a you will add, then the powers of b you will add. So a to the power 5 and b to the power 7 has come. Now multiply the results of steps 1 and 2. So 6 into minus 4, and this, the result is minus 24, a raised to the power 5, b raised to the power 7. Clear class? And if there are more monomials, then also the same method, numeral coefficient with numeral coefficient, 4 into minus 5 into 2, and then literal coefficients with literal coefficients. Clear? Then comes question number 2, multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. Now this time you will multiply a polynomial, more than 2 or more than 2 terms. Expression is your polynomial, na children? So this is your polynomial and this is your monomial. Now multiply them. Like you multiply usually the numbers, same method we are going to apply. Now first you write the polynomial and then write 6ab over here. Now 6ab into 5b square. 6 5s are 30. A. Now b and b square. So power will be b cube. Fine. Plus plus plus. Now come with this. 6 3s are 18. A into a square, b into b square, plus minus minus. Then 6 8s are 48, a into a square, a cube, b into b square, plus plus plus. One more method is there children, like we used to do addition row method. You can write it like this. And now this 6ab will be multiplied to each and every term of this polynomial. First with this, then with this, and then with this. Clear class? Now further we will study in our next video. Thank you.